In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the exciting new features updated in Blue Yonder. This release is packed with tools that not only enhance business operations, but also drive efficiency and sustainability. Let's dive into each of these updates to understand how they can make an impact. First up, we have the introduction of AI-powered cognitive solutions. Blue Yonder has integrated advanced artificial intelligence agents specifically designed for inventory, warehouse, logistics, and network operations. These agents facilitate quicker decision-making by anticipating disruptions and allowing for a responsive and adaptive approach to managing supply chain operations. This enhancement means that you can react faster to the ever-changing market demands, significantly reducing the risk of stockouts and delays. Next is the upgrade to a cloud-native architecture. This advancement focuses on enhancing scalability, providing your operations with the ability to grow seamlessly as required. The platform ensures continuous updates with minimal downtime, providing a smoother user experience built on a modern, robust cloud infrastructure. This ensures that you remain up to date with the latest technologies without significant downtime affecting your operations. Let's talk about warehouse efficiency enhancements. Blue Yonder has incorporated machine learning algorithms that optimize warehouse layouts, streamline resource orchestration, and improve fulfillment workflows. This means less wasted time and resources, resulting in a more efficient operation that gets products to your customers faster. In terms of returns, Blue Yonder now offers returns and circular supply chain capabilities. These new solutions are designed to thoughtfully manage product returns, optimize re-entry into the inventory system, and reduce overall waste. By integrating these processes, not only can you lower costs associated with returns, but you can also contribute to a more sustainable operation by minimizing excess waste. Building further on sustainability, the new release introduces sustainability and ESG integration. The addition of the Sustainable Supply Chain Manager allows businesses to track and manage their carbon footprint and waste levels, effectively integrating sustainability into day-to-day operations. This ensures that even as your business grows, it does so in a way that respects the environment and adheres to evolving regulatory requirements. Continuing with planning improvements, the update features unified planning across functions. This brings demand, supply, and inventory planning onto one platform, breaking down silos between manufacturing and retail. An integrated planning system means more coordinated operations and enhances the overall supply chain strategy. Lastly, the improved user experience and performance cannot be overlooked. With faster load times, up to 40% improvement in some modules, and a revamped interface, everyday tasks become quicker and easier to perform. This updated performance and user experience means less time waiting and more time getting things done efficiently. By understanding these new features, you can leverage the full potential of Blue Yonder's updates to drive your supply chain strategy forward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you unlock the full capabilities of the latest updates.